I got to admit, this is the first time I've ever seen Tractor Supply make a display. That's actually pretty cool. I mean, I'm no MTD fan, but the display, see they got the jack. That's pretty cool. I've never seen them do a display. Of course, that's a commercial bad boy. 60-inch, and I think it's got the either the 3100 pumps or the 3400 pumps. Here, y'all go take a look. Did you see it? $6,000. And then did y'all see what size hydro gears was on it? This is what you would call you're competing with Apex. You know, the Aaron's Apex made by Gravely. Well, Aaron's owns Gravely. I'd like to look back in my... God, it's so embarrassing. I'd like to look back in my videos and see the tires and stuff on the Aaron's Apex. That's a good looking bad boy. I like how they cheesed it down a little bit. I don't like when they used to put big graphics on it. It's like, hey bad boy, calm it down, buddy. Your PR departments are messing up. I don't like for $6,000. I don't like that. When Skag well, I can't say nothing Toro. My Toro's got little bitty ones. But that deck sticks out a lot farther than my Toro. But Toro does that. I don't like that. Got a bunch of people looking at me. So embarrassing. But there you go. Bad boy, Maverick. Yeah, I had to add this. I thought these things felt cheap, right? And they do. My Toro's big old thick, fat, but watch this, watch this. Say you're on the hillside or leaning or you're trying to hurry and get off or push. Check this out. Right there you're hitting metal, then you're hitting plastic. And when it's, look at that, it hits the whole time. Look at that. Come on, Maverick, bad boy, what the frick? My Toro don't do that. What? I mean, it's just cheap. I'm sorry. same way over here. Not a deal breaker, but I don't like it. For $6 grand, this is my opinion. This could be a mower that you buy and last 3,000 hours for all I know. I'm just showing what I don't like. That's so cheap right there. The mower looks fine and sturdy. The seat's nice, and then they put this on here. Yeah. For $6 grand, that should be better. I might go look at the errands again just cause. Peace. Oh, flat tire. Good job.